Hey, I'm eSpin Isabella. Nice to meet you. We're happy to assist you with the presentation. Let us know if you need anything, we're here to help. It's our pleasure to serve you. Burp Suite Professional Product Overview. From this presentation, you will gain understanding on what is Burp Suite Professional or Burp Suite Pro, key capabilities of Burp Suite Pro, Burp Scanner as the foundation of Burp Suite Pro and key features of Burp Suite Pro. Without further ado, let's get started. What is Burp Suite Pro? Burp Suite Pro is a web penetration testing toolkit designed for web security testers. It combines automate repetitive testing tasks, expert design manual and semi-automated security testing tools to quickly and effectively test for vulnerabilities and hacking techniques. Burp Suite Pro enables testers to find more vulnerabilities, faster. Burp Suite Pro that incorporates smart automation and expert design manuals helps save times, thus optimize testers' workflow, allowing them to focus more on their expertise. Burp Suite is built upon Burp Scanner that allow it to navigate and scan JavaScript-heavy single-page applications, SPAs, scanning APIs to enabling pre-recording of complex authentication sequence. Burp Suite Pro give lower false positive. With it reliable out-of-band application security testing, OAST, it is able to detect many otherwise invisible issues, including blind or asynchronous vulnerabilities. Burp Suite Professional lets you test like a pro. Portswigger research enables Burp Suite Pro to keep you ahead through frequent release, making you able to find vulnerabilities that others can't. Increase productivity. Features such as the ability to record everything you did on an engagement, and a powerful search function helps improve testing efficiency and reliability. As discovery of vulnerabilities and testing results need to be shared among users for security enhancement, Burp Suite Pro easily share your findings by simplifying your documentation and remediation process, and producing reports valuable to end users. Burp Suite Professional extend your capabilities by offering you ways to adapt your toolkit to suit your needs, through bchecks to extend Burp Scanner to share knowledge accessing hundreds of pre-written BApp extensions. Create your own functionality, using powerful API that give access to core Burp Suite Pro functionality to create your own extensions. Customize the way you work, to curate your own work manner, be it by creating custom scanning or working in dark mode. Burp Scanner as the foundation of Burp Suite Professional. Powered by the world's leading web security research team, Burp Scanner is built to replicate and extend beyond the actions of a skilled manual tester. Burp Scanner excels in assisting user in finding broad range of vulnerabilities in web applications, automatically through these features and capabilities. Crawl engine, CSRF tokens, stateful functionality, and overloaded or volatile URLs are not obstacles to Burp Scanner's crawl engine. With its embedded Chromium browser, it will render and crawl even the JavaScript-heavy applications that are challenging to other web vulnerability scanners. Advanced crawling algorithm, Burp Scanner that use advanced crawling algorithm designed to handle dynamic content, unstable internet connections, many API definitions, and the vast scale of modern web applications helps discover more attack surface. Location fingerprinting, Burp Scanner applies location fingerprinting techniques to identify sinkholes that elevates requests by reducing the number of requests made while testing, hence, faster scanning. Automated OAST, out-of-band application security testing. Not only, it check for bugs invisible to conventional scanners, including asynchronous SQL injection and blind SSRF, OST scanning minimize the number of false positives, improving signal-to-noise ratio. The key features of Burp Suite Pro are manual penetration testing features, advanced or custom automated attacks, automated scanning for vulnerabilities, productivity tools and BApp extension. The manual penetration testing features enables you to intercept everything your browser sees. Burp Suite's built-in browser allows modification to every HTTP message that passes through it. Rapidly access your target through auto-enumeration of static and dynamic URLs, and URL parameters. Speed up granular workflows. Within a single window, Burp Suite allows you to modify, reissue individual HTTP and WebSocket messages, and analyze the response. Manage recon data through the filtering and annotation functions, ensuring all target data is aggregated and stored in a target sitemap. Expose hidden attack using the advanced automatic discovery function to find hidden content. Proxy secure HTTPS traffic utilizing Burp Suite's built-in instrumented browser. Work with HTTP/2 requests through Burp Suite's HTTP/2 based testing support. View and modify WebSockets through WebSockets messages specific history. Manually test for out-of-band vulnerabilities by applying a dedicated client to incorporate Burp Suite's out-of-band (OAST) capabilities. Easily test for DOM XSS vulnerabilities using Burp Suite's built-in browser, namely DOM Invader. Assess the token strength. Advanced or custom automated attacks provides faster brute forcing and fuzzing through custom sequences of HTTP requests containing multiple payload sets. Query automated attack results by capturing automated results in customized tables, then filter and annotate to find interesting entries/improve subsequent attacks. Easy way to generate CSRF proof of concept attacks. Just select any suitable request and you can generate exploit HTML. Facilitate deeper manual testing. Burp Suite Professional shows reflected or stored inputs even when a bug is not confirmed. This is helpful for testing issues like XSS. Scan as you browse option, where you can either passively scan every request you make, or perform active scans on specific URLs. Automatic modification of HTTP messages using settings that automatically modify responses as well as match and replace rules for both responses and requests. Automated scanning for vulnerabilities offers. Browser-powered scanning involves Burp Scanner using its embedded browser to render its target, allowing it to navigate even complex single-page applications, SPAs. Pioneering OAST technology that reduce false positive. Effective bugs remediation, through custom descriptions and step-by-step remediation advice for every bug, from Portswigger Research and the Web Security Academy. Fuel vulnerability coverage with research through cutting-edge scan logic from Portswigger Research, along with coverage of over 100 generic bugs. B-checks that enable you to create custom scan checks for Burp Scanner, written in a simple text-based language. API scanning that discover expansive potential attack surface. Burp Scanner parses JSON or YAML API definitions, scanning any API endpoints it finds. Authenticated scanning, where Burp Suite Pro is able to scan privileged areas of target applications that use complex login mechanisms like single sign-on, SSO. A built-in JavaScript analysis engine helps to find holes in client-side attack surfaces. Automated scanning that allows you to configure scan behavior, including customize what you audit, and how, skip specific checks, fine-tune insertion points, or use preset scan modes to get an overview and more. Burp Suite Professional productivity tools include deep dive message analysis that show follow-up, analysis, reference, discovery, and remediation in a feature-rich HTTP editor. Built-in and custom configurations that offer access to predefined configurations for common tasks, or save and reuse custom configurations. Project files that can auto-save everything while on engagement, including the configuration settings being used. Burp Logger that shows every HTTP message that passes through Burp Suite's tools through a single place. Multiple built-in operations such as hex, octal, base64 helps decode and encode data faster, enabling rapid data transmission. Burp Organizer that store and annotate interesting messages you find while testing, so you can come back to them later. Pretty print code formats. This makes code like JSON, JavaScript, CSS, HTML, and XML more readable. Easily remediate scan results that enables you to view source, discovery, contents, and remediation for every bug with aggregated application data. Search function that let you easily search everywhere in Burp Suite Professional at once. Simplify scan reporting, allow customization with HTML or XML formats. BApp Extension include access to the extension library. Create custom extensions through Montoya API, convert various encoding using HackReader, Adapt Burp Scanner's attacks by uploading and testing multiple file type payloads with Upload Scanner. Use Authorize to test for authorization vulnerabilities. Unleash thousands of requests per second using Turbo Intruder. Expand Java-specific vulnerability catalog with J2EE scan. Set up HTTP request smuggler tweak offsets automatically to scan for request smuggling vulnerabilities. Use param miner to find unkeyed input. And as well find research-grade bugs, and bridge human intuition and automation with /powered scanner. Thanks for watching our presentation. We appreciate your time and hope you found it valuable. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us at info@espencorp.com or visit our website. Have a great day.